adding a JNHAS F16 to a modded database, there are conflicts, and this is one of the ways to overcome them. So this is the one we want, a Pakistan F16 52 plus. Non-CFT, that's the jet, and this is probably the wings. Okay. We'll worry about this later. First, we're going to extract the database. That takes a while. With the database extracted, you can make new folders instead of replacing. And in most databases, you can just make a new one, but I have open placeholders here, and I'm working backwards from 8500. I'm around 8300 in this direction. Okay, so I'm going to make the plane 8296. And the wings 8295. And let's see. I've got texture set editor. We'll start with the plane. The non-CFT 8296. And we will go to the skins. And go to the DDS folder. Again, you can make your own new DDS numbers, but I've got placeholders, and I'm going to start around 5500. 5538. So I'm going to make 1733, 5538. Copy it and paste it. And change 1733 to 5538. And just keep going like that. Let's see, 1734, 5539. Two, 4, 7, 7, 5540. 2478 to 5541. And 2479. 5543. 2480. 5544. 2481. 5545. 2482. 5546. 2483. 5547. 2484. 2484. I think that's the only two. 5548. 2485. 'Eyes are getting crossed. 2485 is 5549. 2486. 5550. 2487. And fourth. That other one must be for something else. Okay, 2487 is the shoot. 5551. So now I just save it. And do the same thing for each one of these. And it's going to be a long process. So I'm going to pause it while I do that. So I started getting lost on which DDS file was supposed to be what number. So I made a copy of the original numbers, and I still have the ones I altered. I haven't altered this one yet. But so when I go into these different levels of LOD, sometimes they're not in the same order, and there's not as many as you can see here, and then sometimes nothing. So to remember which ones I should change, since I have both of these here, I will just be like, I'll look at 1733 and I'll know it's supposed to be 538, etc. all through here. That is kind of helpful if you don't write things down, and I didn't write it down. So this is done. There's no skins on the last two levels. I'm just checking. Oh, that one didn't stick. I didn't save it before I moved on. So I'm going to do that again. 1733 is 5538. Oops. 2477 5540. 2483. 5547. 2478. 5541. 2484 is 5548. 1734 is 5539. Oops. 2479 is 5543. 2480 5544. 2481 5545. 2482 5546. 2485 5549. 2486 5550. 2487. Okay, and save. Save this. Oh no, cancel. These are the two save. This saves all, and this just saves the current one. But save all. I'm hitting both. They all need to be saved. Okay, this is done. This is done. This is done. This is done. And those don't have any. Okay, so this is saved. And we can do the wing model now. I think it's the wing model. I'll look into it. And it just has one LOD file. Okay. Okay, 2478, I mean. 5541. Four eight one 5545 5546 5551. And before you save, you have to get off of the number you're on as well, or it might not save. So I clicked in the blank and I go to save. And we'll double check both of these and make sure the save's stuck. Looks like it did. That's good. So the model is good. We have the textures in. I don't know what this texture is for. It never got called for. The tags. I'll have to read the directions on that. I don't know about that. So I'll look into that later. But I will pause it and figure that out. So if all else fails, read the directions, right? That's the skim for the ladder. And I'm going to do that last. I'm going to get this jet squared away. And then I'll look into doing the ladder. Because it's got the cockpit changes. And so I'm going to wait until I have a new cockpit pick. Because we're not replacing, we're adding. So we'll deal with that later. First, I'm going to get the jet in. So back to models, non-CFT. We just dropped these. They've been adjusted into parents folder. I replaced those two because they're empty, and now they are not. And the next one I work on will be 8294. That will be the ladder. But I'm gonna go ahead and build the database so I can check on these models. Okay, database is built. Okay, I'm just going to look at the model real quick, and then we'll have to build a new squadron to add it to. Let's see. 8295. Oops. Yep, that's the wing model. Oh no. I wonder if it needs that changed or what. Let's see. Alright, well, let's look at the other one first. Okay. Okay, looks like I misnumbered the parachute. Gonna look at that. Ah, it's not in, so that makes sense. That's why it's green. I never put the parachute in. Mistakes were made. Okay, skins. Okay. Eight, 295. Okay, that's better. Okay, so this is the C-52. Now we just need to make a squadron for it. Okay. What's this one? Okay, we don't want that one. We're doing the one without CFTs. guess this is the one we will copy. So just right click, add aircraft copy. Yes, duplicate associated CT. Do this by index, and we change this name to might change it to something different later, I don't know. So this is the Pakistan, going to be the Pakistan one, and we've got the copy of it here, and we go ahead and change the CT record, change this to 8296. Save. Then we go to units. We got flights. We'll find the F-16 52 plus, C-52 plus. Okay. This is the one we copied, so I'm going to make another copy here. Yes. And take this number sign off and change each one of these from EAF, go to edit element, and it will be the last one we put in. Do that to each one. Okay, so they all say pack now, and I'm going to save it. This number sign is gone, and since they all say pack, this element here will have changed, and so we go to squadrons now. Do the same thing. Yes to CT change. Okay. Same thing, pound gone, number sign gone, and edit all these to say pack. Yeah, you can just double click it and you don't have to hit OK in this window. Just double click. I keep forgetting. But you can't double click these to open it. You have to edit element. Yeah, I forgot again. Okay. That does it for the XML files or the Falcon editor until we do any kind of adjustments to the weapons if that's needed. I don't know. But we're just going to close out of here for now. No. Actually, there's one more thing I got to do. Dang it. Okay. We go to class table, do it by index, and we've got the squadron, the flight, and the airplane here. And what it needs is its independent specific number. So since this is by index, I can see the latest one I put in was a fighter bomber of 153. And I could just move on to 154, or I can check if there's a fighter bomber for 152. 151 is a missile. Let's see. 49 is a fighter bomber. Yeah. Instead of figuring that out, I'm just going to just go ahead and make it 150, 154. There's probably some unused numbers for fighter bombers in there somewhere. But I'm just going to change each one of these to specific number 154. Okay, so now we're done in here, I'm pretty sure. Nope. One more thing to do. Okay. That's not where I need to go. Alright, I'm just going to test the database. I think I might have to do flight. I'm not sure. I don't remember exactly what I'm supposed to do next, but I got to make sure the flight matches the right squadron. Right now, the squadron is still being pointed to the EAF F-1652, so I need to change that to be pointing to PAC. Okay, I tested the database and it will show this error. I always almost forget this, and okay, select squadron, that's what I need to do. Squadron index is 365 for the EAF. We need this 1118. Okay, squadron index is changed. Save and test database, and now that error is gone. These are all fuel errors. And then the weapon errors that came with it. They're not really errors. Well, the fuel ones are, but anyways, back to this show. This is now it's done in the database. So we got 154, and we go to okay, art. main units and text IDs. Okay. See if the other one's in here. Okay, so we'll just copy this and make a pack one down at the bottom instead of EAF. And save that. Yeah, we don't need this. This is going to have to be different too. Going to just put pack here too. And in text IDs, this is the one we just copied. Okay, so I need to make a new one. Let's see, where's a good number? 795. There's no 795, which is good. 795 will be the new number for this jet. And save that. So see, this text is connected to this number, which is connected to this text, and that is what shows up in the drop down in the game. So I'm going to save that. Yes. Go into campaign, find TE planes, find the EAF 52. We'll copy this line. So nobody sees this, but this is just for keeping it in order. This is the number for a fighter bomber is 7 and 9, and so that's what this is. This is the specific number which we changed to 154. Okay, 154, and okay, this is a dogfight number. It has to be original. No. Okay, that's only one like that. We're not making a dogfight squadron here. We're just putting in for the game. This jet will not be available in dogfight. And okay, this is the text ID number 795, and we don't need to change this. This is the this is what the F-16 shows up as on the 2D or selection list. I'm not sure. That's the image for F-16, and that's it. We're saving it here. We've got the units, the new name, pack. We got the text IDs for the pack. Got to make sure this matches this, and this number matches here, and that's how it knows what to call out of the database. Exit this, save, yes, and now we get on to the sim folder. See, and since we are making a new one instead of replacing. I'm going to rename this C52 half to pack. And then I go to AC types. We're adding a new jet, so we change the number at the top to 397 here. And down here we make the text of the name. So this is going to be it. And then we add it to the sim folder. And now we do the cockpit, and it's going to be a ladder, so I need to make the model 3834. I'm going to change that. So we're going back to the database parents. And okay. Okay, 8295 was the last one we did, and that's the wing model. 8294 is empty, so I'm going to change this to 8294. Okay, that's the cockpit. All right, so I need to check the texture in here, and I already know. Hold on, let me get this texture out of here. Skins, this is the one we're looking for. And okay, 4340. I'm just going to check real quick. $43.40 is clear, so I'm just going to drop it in there. And I'm pretty sure this is going to call for the 4340 texture, but I'm going to check to make sure. Models, ladder. Yep. Okay, so we're good. 8294. I'm going to drop these in here, or you can just drop the whole parent folder because I named it correctly. 8294. Okay, replace. And now we've got the ladder in and the texture in. So build the database again. Okay, the database is built. I'm just going to look at it real quick. The ladder. if you don't save the changes, you can just type it into any aircraft in this location. That's what I'm doing here. And then when I leave, I just say disregard changes. Okay, 8294. Oops. Okay, that's the ladder. Now we got to worry about the cockpit. Those are a copy of the changes I just made. Okay, so the cockpit. Well, we got to look into the sim folder first and see what the FM is calling for. There's several ways to get a cockpit in a jet. This is one of the ways. Oops. Okay, where's my pack? Did I not add it? Okay, they are in there. All right. Okay. It gets pretty. You could start losing track of things when you change all this stuff. All right. So let's look up wing. I think wing view. We'll see. Wing parent. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This isn't calling for. This isn't calling for a certain thing. So let's see what half is calling for. And it doesn't either. Okay. We are going to change that or not. We will go to Afghanistan art, cockpit art, and go to. This is the cockpit art they want for the ladder. Let's see, F-16. We're going to rename this 8296. And add it in here. That's the name of the parent. Okay, did it go? Nope. Okay. 8296. Copy. Paste. There it is. Okay, we look at now. Since this is 8296, it will automatically give this cockpit to the parent with that same name, and that is the F-16C 52 plus Pakistan jet. So this is the correct folder, and we look into the 3D cockpit, and we look at the models, cockpit model, legs model, canopy model. I don't see a wing model. Okay, there it is. Yeah, right in front of my face. Anyways, the wing model is going to be, okay, what was it? Non-CFT 8295. Let's see, does it have a ladder model? All right. What number was that before? Okay. Ladder 3834. Where's that? Okay. We need to change this. It doesn't say ladder, but that's part of the cockpit. Okay. 3834 is going to be 8294. What did I change it there for? Okay, 8294 over here. There we go. Okay, now I think we're done. We'll go test it. Save and test. Okay, we got the pitch and it's got the wrong wings. Let's see. The outside looks good, but how did I get the wrong wings? Okay. I need to look into that. We're going to try something else. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but okay, we'll go to cockpit art. Change 8296 to F16C52 plus pack. Okay. Guess I should have put a dash. Dang it. There it is. Jeez. All right. See how they got it here. F16 C-52 pack. Okay. And go to sim. Wait, let me get that name. Cockpit art. copy that name, go to sim AC data, find the pack. Oh, I know why it wasn't working. Oh my goodness. Okay. Got one more thing to change in the database anyways. Anyways, let's change this first. Okay, F16 pack. Where is it at? Okay, I'm going to type in the wing parent here. Cockpit name is going to be this, and I'm going to type the wing parent just in case. Let's see, add-on art, cockpit art, and we are looking for F16 pack. And the, well, I should have known the wings model. 8295. So back in the, that's half pack. 8295. That ought to fix it. But I also forgot something. We need to go to the editor. I forgot to change what AC data it uses. So I go to aircraft. Go to AC data, and we can't change it here because that's being used by EAF. So before I do that, I have to go to AC data here, and I need to look at what the EAF uses. EAF. Well, I'll just look at PAC because we still have the same AC data. They're using 78, so I go down to 78, and that's it. I copy 78, and I put that at the last of the list, and I change 78 to 425, and save it. And I'll probably have to restart this to find it. So I'm going to change the PAX jet ACD number to 425 and give it its own flight model. Okay, you can't change it there, you have to change it here. 78, the last one we did is 425. Save it, open it again. You're on 425, its own ACD number, and change this to PAC. Alright, now the jet has its own FM, and we'll test it out. And finally, we've got the right wings. The model and the wings are correct. So that's the process. I'm going to call it a day here.